The all-new BMW X1 is our ultimate all-rounder in the BMW range. Right now, the current generation, which is the third generation already of the BMW X1, has a completely new exterior, as you can see. What's immediately noticeable is that it now has a single-piece kidney grille, which is flanked by LED headlights. Now, we also have 18-inch light alloy wheels that you can see on the profile along with other xLine exterior package elements. Now, over at the rear, there's a slim tailgate window that you can see that's also complemented by LED taillights that are three-dimensional in this generation. Now for the driving dynamics, we have a BMW twin-power turbo diesel engine that's an inline four-cylinder in the BMW X1, and that produces 150 horsepower and 350 Newton meters of torque. That's mated to a 7-speed Steptronic transmission with double clutch. So the BMW X1, the latest generation that we have right now, is really exciting. Still brings about that fun that young, connected people expect from this model range, and we're hoping that the market will receive this really nicely in the next couple of months and for the rest of the life cycle of this model.
Well, the X1 is basically your entry into the world of BMW X, the SAV range of BMW. So it's actually a very important model for us because it brings people into the brand. Also, volume-wise, it's also proven to be a relatively important model for both global market and also for the Philippine market. We're targeting the more dynamic, the younger ones, the very well-connected individuals who want to get into the world of BMW SAVs, and the young, energetic, and very well-connected people. These are the ones we're looking at right now. The SRP for this is 3.89 million, 3,890,000, and that comes with our now standard 5-year warranty. We'd like to invite all your viewers, please come by. The BMW X1 is available in all dealers in Metro Manila and in Cebu, plus Pampanga also. No? So we have 3 dealers in the city. We have Auto Alley in Quezon City. We have RSA Motors Green Hills. We have RSA Motors Libis. We have Premier Cars Pampanga. And we also have Auto Wealth in Cebu. Please drop by. Cars should be in the dealerships already by now. Take a look at the new X1. Go for a test drive. And we look forward to seeing you in one of our cars. Thank you. Tonight we introduced the all-new 7 Series. We have 2 what you call variants or flavors for the 7 Series. It's the 735i and the i7. First ever luxury full electric sedan from BMW. And I think it's the first also in the segment that we're launching in an all-electric version. So the all-new 7 it's actually the 7th generation of the 7 Series right now. So we're very happy to be able to bring it to the Filipino motoring public.
The BMW 735i is powered by a 3-liter twin-power turbo inline 6-cylinder gasoline engine, generating 286 horsepower and 425 Nm of torque, mated to an 8-speed Steptronic Sport automatic transmission.
In the i7, we have 2 electric motors powering the front and the rear wheels because it's a BMW xDrive, and because it's what we're having here is the i760 version. This means that this has a lot of power and it has over 600 kilometers of range for the electric charge.
BMW Philippines says the response and use of the arrival of the 7 Series, especially the flagship i7, has been positive.
We'd like to invite everyone to take a look at the 735i, which is available in all our showrooms throughout the country, whether it be Pampanga, Auto Alley, in Green Hills, Libis, or in Cebu. The i7 will initially be available in both our Libis and in our Green Hills RSA Motors dealerships. Come by to all our dealerships, take a look at our cars, and see for yourself the all-new 7 Series.